Welcome to this new video which is all about the free WordPress pop-up plugins. Pop-ups are like a two-sided sword. If you use them in the right way, you can capture a lot of emails. But if you use them in the wrong way, then they can create a bad user experience. But in this video, I'll show you the best free WordPress pop-up plugins for your website so that you can capture visitors' emails in a friendly way without breaking your banks. Therefore, let us start. The first plugin on our list is the Hustle Pop-ups plugin. Head over to Plugins, add New, and install the Hustle Pop-ups plugin. Just search for it in the plugin repository of WordPress and install and activate this plugin. Once this plugin is activated, you will see a link in your sidebar. From here, head over to your dashboard. And now, from here, click on Create Pop-up. With this plugin, you can create pop-ups, embed, slide in, and also social share buttons. Now, once you create a new plugin, you will have to give it a name. Let's just give test and select email opt-in. Now let us see its templates. The templates over here look good, but there are only 12 of them. Anyways, let us work with the available templates for now, and I'll choose this one and click on choose template. This plugin doesn't feature a drag and drop editor, which is a bit tough thing to work with. We'll have to manually add the title and then switch between the preview to see how our pop-up looks like. For now, let us all remain like this. Here you can add your media and add a call to action button. Now there's also an option to add a never see this message again link. And now let us configure emails. Here you have to select your form. Here you can select a success message or redirect users to some URL. And you can send an automated email to the user. Now this is a good feature which most other pop-up plugins do not allow for free. Now you can select the subject and the message and then integration. Now let us see the integrations this plugin has. So let us just save this draft and head over to the integrations page. Now this plugin integrates with many email providers like ActiveCampaign, Uber, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, etc. So the integrations are also nice, and let us continue with the pop-up designing. Here we have this test, edit. Now integrations, you can connect one integration in this plugin and then select it over here. And you can disallow submission to all to users who have already submitted it. Now you can choose this layout, font styles, colors. This you can customize on your own, and visibility settings. Visibility and behavior are two which we'll have to see thoroughly because some pop-up creators limit the functionality to edit the triggers and the visibility of your pop-up. So here you can select the pages and posts on which you want to show this pop-up, and you can also sort on visitors browser, device, country, logged in status, source of arrival. So this plugin offers a lot in its free plan. Now here you can schedule your pop-up and pop-up trigger, time on page, scroll percentage, on click, and exit intent. Now this was what I was looking for. For those who don't know, exit intent is a technology in which a pop-up shows up when the visitor is about to leave your site. The plugin automatically detects your mouse behavior, and when your mouse is over here, it shall automatically show a pop-up. I will select exit intent, no delay, and trigger once per session. Now you can also select entrance and exit animation and close pop-up when clicked outside. Now let us publish this pop-up and let us see how it looks on our test website. So if we head over to testsite.explorersoffun.com and if we keep the mouse over here, the pop-up should show up. And here it is. See, the pop-up which we made has now showed up. Here is our title and we did not edit anything else, so it is the same. So this was the number 1 plugin which I had on my list, Hustle. And now let us check out its pricing. So the pricing on the monthly plan is $6 per month, $9 per month, and $19 per month for their membership. Now this plugin developer has also created many other plugins for WordPress SEO, security, or performance optimization, image optimization, etc. So if you look at the pricing, taking their membership would be the best. But if we only want to take the pop-up plugin, then it will cost us $6 to $9 per month, which is a very budget-friendly pricing. Therefore, this plugin makes up to the first number on our list because of all the features which it allows for free and because of its pocket-friendly pricing. The only problem is that there is not a drag and drop editor, but for those who want to work for now, it's a good plugin. Now you can also create slide-ins, embed, social sharing, but I will not discuss them in this video. So now let us move on to our next plugin. The second plugin on my list is Brave Pop-ups. It's a relatively new plugin with very few installs, but when I tried it once, it was an amazing plugin. Install and activate this plugin. Once you have installed the plugin, just head over to campaigns from this link and here you will see all your pop-ups. I'll delete this one which it has created. And now we'll create a new pop-up. Now you can also create embedded content like embed forms for in post signups or below post signups, and you can also create related posts which are a great way to reduce your website's bounce rate. But for now we'll create a pop-up. Just enter a title and here there are various templates. 5 of them for newsletter subscription are free whereas others are paid. Like the newsletter sign up plugin, take this basic template and create a pop-up. Now this plugin has a drag and drop interface, which is the best thing. A drag and drop editor is best suited for beginners and pros alike because it makes the whole creation process very easy and fun. So now let us discuss its features. Here you can add various elements like text, image, shape, etc. And here you can edit the image, the text and the form. There are various fields, but in the free plan you will only get 6 maximum fields for your forms, which should be enough. Now you can edit this text, edit this subtitle, and you can change your pop-ups layout. You can create a sticky bar, sidebar or a boxed pop-up, and you can even select its position. Now you also have options for pop-up size, style, animation, overlay and close. But what we want to see is its settings, its behavior and visibility settings, the two most important ones. So we'll just head over to its settings, and the placement settings are for selected pages, home pages and whole site, although the custom URL is in Pro. Triggers are page load, on click, time spent, exit intent, page scroll, etc. So exit intent is paid with this pop-ups, which was not the case with Hustle. But if you want a drag and drop interface, then you can even work with page load and on click or time spent pop-ups. Audience you can select based on the devices in the free plan, and there are also some frequency settings. Now I have selected the home page and trigger on page load. Now I'll just publish this pop-up to see how it looks. Now we'll again head over to our site, and just upon page load the pop-up should load, and here it is. See, the pop-up loaded just as this page opened. So that was for Brave. Now let us discuss its pricing. So they have a free plan and a plan for $41 per year for the pro version and $139 per year for the ultimate version. So the only difference between these two plans is on the number of websites you can use. If you want to use it for one website, then you can choose this plan, whereas if you want it for 100 websites, if you're working for your clients, then you can use this version. Both the plans give you all their features, and the free plan, as we discussed, is a bit limited, but the drag and drop editor makes up for it. Now the third pop-up plugin on our list is the HubSpot pop-up plugin. Now after you have installed this plugin, you will have to sign in with your HubSpot account. So after you have signed up with your HubSpot account, just head over to the forms in your WordPress sidebar, and now here you can create a pop-up for your website. Now click on create form and select a pop-up box. Now you can also create a standalone page, embed forms, slide-ins and drop-down banner. But for this we shall choose a pop-up box. Click on next. Now the design with HubSpot is a very basic one. You can't customize it a lot. You can just edit your header text, your body and your subscribe button, and you can upload a featured image. It offers no templates, nothing. So it's not a very design oriented pop-up creator. It's a very basic ones. If you need a free pop-up with very basic features, then you can choose HubSpot. Now the editor interface, leave it like this. Now over here you can customize your form, add fields, and GDPR compliant forms are also supported. Now you can also create your thank you page, and you can also add a follow-up email, which is like an automated email to subscribers. Now these are the targeting options. You can target your visitors by choosing the web pages where you would like your pop-up to appear, and you can also filter on the basis of users. And the triggers are on 50% page scroll, exit intent and time on page. So I have selected exit intent in my case. Now if you move next. Now to remove their logo from your pop-up forms, you will have to upgrade, and we'll discuss its pricing in a minute. Now you can turn off your pop-up for mobile devices if you want to stay within Google's mobile friendly limits, and now you can preview your pop-up. Now on tablets also it's there, but it has been closed on mobile devices. So now we'll publish this pop-up. Now we'll set it live. Now if we head over to our website and if we try to exit it, then the pop-up shall show up. Now just as we try to exit it, the pop-up has showed up, and it has also inherited fonts from our theme fonts. So that's a good thing. Now let us check this plugin's pricing. If we head over to this upgrade link given in our sidebar, then the pricing has loaded. Now it's priced at $45 per month, and then it grows straight up to $800 per month. So that is a big difference between the pricing. So now if if you are a new blog, then you will obviously choose this plan, but if you exceed this, then you will have to directly pay $800 per month, which is a lot. So the pricing module can be made a bit better by adding two more pricing tables between this huge price gap. Now the fourth plugin on our list is Power.io. Now this is an external service. You will create pop-ups in their website, and then using a WordPress plugin you can connect it to your WordPress website. So for now we'll have to head over to their website and you can sign up with them. So now I am in my account, and to create pop-ups we'll have to create a new app, and here is pop-up. Get click on Get App. Now their pop-up interface shall load. Now there are many templates for you and I'll choose one for this demo. So we have chosen a very basic one. Now click on continue with template. Here you can select your pop-ups layout. You can make it a full screen pop-up, a center pop-up, a header pop-up or a corner pop-up. So we'll just take it in the center, and you can even take your image. You can take it as a left image, right image or no image. The right image and left image features are available in their paid plans. So this was the layout, and you can put three elements in your pop-up. Now we'll head over to the next, and here you can control the pop-up display options. You can select your display schedule, and you can even select the frequency of your pop-up. Now you can select pop-up triggers. Now they even have the exit intent technology, but it's in their paid plans. So if you are looking for a free one, then you can choose between immediately, which is not preferred, and after scrolling, which can be used. Now click on done. Now you can select entrance animations in the paid plan, and they also feature an autoresponder email, so you can design your email and it will get sent just after a person subscribes to your pop-up. Now you can even sync with Google Sheets. So they do not have any email integrations with them, but you can obviously sync with your Google Sheets and then export it somewhere else. Also they connect with Zapier, which will directly help you to connect with thousands of other websites. Now click on next, the design, and now you can publish it. Now once you install the plugin on your website and log in with your account, the pop-up shall start showing up on your website too. So this was our video on the 4 best WordPress pop-up plugins which you can use for your website. Now tell us in the comments below which pop-up plugin will you use first. Is it Hustle, HubSpot, Brave or Power? Also I'll link to all of these plugins which I discussed in this video in the description so that you can find them easily. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you always get notified whenever I publish a new video on WordPress, SEO or blogging. So if you watch this video till the end, thanks for watching and I hope that you benefit from this video.